What's up, guys? Mike from Soundoftristate in Folsom, Pennsylvania. Today we have this gorgeous 2006 Mercedes SL550. This car is insanely clean. It's only got 36,000 miles. It looks like it's brand new. It only has one problem, and that's the radio. So I'm going to jump in here and go over what we're going to be able to do for this client. So the other day, customer stopped by. He just picked up this vehicle for his wife. Car's crazy clean, but the radio is not working. We took a look at it and we were able to tell right away this radio is not the original radio that came in the vehicle. It is one of these cheap Amazon Chinese radios. Terrible quality. These things are a disaster. So I'll show you behind here. Look at this rat's nest. So someone tried to install this presumably right before the customer purchased the car. Never worked right. So we're going to be able to remove this, install a quality unit. We're going to be putting in a Pioneer radio. It's going to have all the features someone would want. When we get this thing wrapped up shortly, I'll go over everything that we were able to do for this customer and show you guys what the finished product looks like. So stay tuned. All right, guys, we're back with the 2006 SL550. We just got the radio completed. I just wanted to show you how this thing looks in this vehicle, give you guys a sense of what we can do on even a higher end vehicle. It doesn't just have to be an entry-level model. So this is an older vehicle. It's a 2006. The radio was actually replaced by someone who just had the car before this client of ours. It was not working correctly. It was a very inexpensive radio. We were able to remove that, install this beautiful Pioneer DMHW 3050 NEX. Really hot radio right now. Retails for $450. If you want to get a price for something similar, we encourage you to bring your vehicle into the store. We can help you out, go over options that'll fit your vehicle, and then of course go over a budget as well. So for this particular radio, it has AM, FM radio, which also has HD built in. It has the capability to do SiriusXM. This radio has wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. It has the ability to have a backup camera, which we were able to install on this vehicle here. So it really makes backing up easy and safe. We were able to keep the factory steering wheel controls working on this vehicle. Whole lot of other features you can do with this as well. If you're adding amplifiers, it has a really intuitive EQ. So really hot piece. So if you guys need anything like this, please reach out, 610-328-0301. Thank you, guys.